Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and from there select power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key, volume down at the same time. And once you see the Sony logo on the screen, you want to let go of only the power key. Okay, there we go, so let go of the power key. This will obviously boot you into recovery mode, so from here using volume keys, I want to select Fastboot mode, power key, confirm it, and there we go, you are now in Fastboot mode. Same way as before, you can navigate using the volume keys in here, and we have only a couple options. You can enter recovery mode, which just goes back one step, enter reboot to bootloader, which does nothing. We can power off the device and also reboot the system, which takes us back to Android. And that is also one option that I will right now confirm and go back to obviously the Android operating system. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.